Business owners waste 15 to 20 hours every week doing stuff that AI can handle for you. So here's the stack of AI tools that I use that can fix this. All right, number one. So Wisprflow. You've heard me talk about this before, and the reason I love it so much is that you can just talk rather than type into your computer. So let's have a look. All right, Wisprflow. So I take my hand, I press the function key. Okay, so I'm going to now draft an email. New line, dear Adam, comma, new line. I have been wondering about how to best say this to you, but I'd like to put it in a list. First item, I want to demonstrate this tool. Second item, it's really, really easy to use. And third item, I want to say the product name, which is Wisprflow. All right, so what you can see here, folks, is that not only does it type once you talk to it, but it also can put things into lists. It can listen to when you say a new line. The numbered list is really cool. And also, in the event that you accidentally say or then it will actually remove those filler words. You did it too literally there, Whisper. Taking longer. All right. So you can see there, those words weren't important to that sentence, so it cut them out. Obviously, when I said it before, it was actually an important word in the sentence, so it kept them in. Wisprflow. Now that works in Google Docs, ChatGPT, email, you name it. Wherever there's a cursor, you can talk and it will type. It's fabulous. All right, second tool is Fathom Video or Fathom AI or Fathom Notetaker. It's all the same product. The main issue here is that with meetings, you've actually got to be taking notes on your iPad or your notepad or listening, and there's so much that's said that is lost. Or you've got to watch a full recording of it, which just takes an hour to go through an hour-long meeting, which is tedious. So with Fathom, which is a note taker, what happens here is that it records your meetings and it transcribes them, and you can go back and review it anytime you want. Fathom Note Taker, so it records all of your calls. Yes, you can turn it off if you need to, but it records all of your calls. So for example, coaching calls, you can click on that. So I run coaching calls each week with my clients. I run a few one-on-ones, but mostly group sessions. You can actually go straight to the transcript. You can copy the transcript. You can go and even ask Fathom questions if you want. It does a meeting summary as well. So that is super, super handy. It's free. It keeps records forever. And it automatically records. And of course, you can change your settings to turn it off or whatever else. All right, so that's a really cool one. We've done Wisprflow, where you just talk instead of type. It saves loads of time because you can talk faster than you can type. And Fathom Notetaker was number 2. ChatGPT voice mode is number 3. This one is epic because when you are walking or driving or riding a bike and you need to use your eyes to know where to go, you can be having conversations with ChatGPT. So the voice mode one is the black button on the right there with a little wiggly audiogram on it. Hey ChatGPT, can you hear me okay? Hey ChatGPT, are you there?
I'm absolutely here, ready and listening. Just let me know what you need.
Awesome. Well, you're my demonstration assistant. Your task is to showcase how wonderful voice mode is on ChatGPT, and I want you to tell me something really profound and impressive for my YouTube demo video.
Absolutely. Let's make it a good one. So Here's a little profound nugget for your demo. One of the coolest things about using voice mode with ChatGPT is that it turns a simple conversation into a really natural back and forth. It's like having a chat with a knowledgeable friend who just happens to know a whole lot about a ton of topics. So for your YouTube video, you can definitely highlight that it's all about making the tech feel human and easy. Let me know if that works.
Yeah, that's a ripper. Thanks, ChatGPT. We'll talk to you later. All right, so you can see there, I can talk to it, it talks back, and there's a full written transcript that you can refer back to once you finish driving, once you finish walking, jogging, whatever. So that saves so much time because you don't have to be typing, and you don't need to be using your eyes either. You can just be using your brain. And oftentimes when we're walking, jogging, whatever, that's when our best thoughts come, and we want to have a sounding board to talk those ideas through. So that was number 3, voice mode in ChatGPT. All right, now making content is often a huge issue because, particularly video, it takes a lot of time and effort to edit, add captions, all of that stuff. But Opus Clip is my 4th pro tool that I use all the time. Basically what happens here is it takes videos that you've done and it will turn them into shorter little snippets, all done by AI. So let me hop into it. So you can upload a video or just add a YouTube link or add a Google Drive link. It takes a video that you've done, so it could be a long form interview or it could be a short YouTube video. In this case, let's just go to one of the keynotes that I did. So this is like a 30 or 40 minute keynote recording. And what it's done is it's split them up into nice little YouTube shorts or TikTok style videos. Now I've put my own captions on, it's done all that for me, but I can choose the style. And what it's done is it uses AI to transcribe it and to also pick out the most interesting and best bits. And then it chops them into, you can choose whether it's like under 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, that's the one I do. Or you can do longer ones as well now, which is really, really cool. You can change the format too, so if you want to take like an hour's keynote presentation and find like 5-minute bits in landscape mode, easy done as well. And then literally, if you want to, you can edit, you can make the video longer, shorter, whatever, move it around. And from Opus Clip, you can schedule straight into your calendar. So you can see here, you literally fill out your calendar for weeks in advance, all from that content that you've got here. And because you are in full control, you can either heart, or if you dislike it, it just removes that clip. It evaluates them from a score out of 100. So I'll normally do things in the 80s and 90s out of 100. So there's heaps of content in this video, but as you get down, there's more. There's things in the 70s which I'll often just scrap. So that is super handy. It syncs up to all of your social media platforms as well. Let me just find that. Social accounts. All right, so it can connect to Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, X, YouTube. I'm sure it can do Instagram too. And so what you've basically got here is a very, very easy way to take content you've already got, like videos, like this one I'm doing right now, stick it into Opus Clip, and it will turn it into lots of short form video content for you. All right, we are rolling here, folks. So the next one I want to show you is Canva AI. All right, so the challenge we have is that design work is slow and painful. Even if you've got some idea about design, like it still just takes a long time. Canva AI is a really easy, fast place to start. Now the AI feature in this is really cool. I mean, of course, you can just run off its own template library, which is huge, but you can actually also bring your idea to life just by giving it what you want. So let's think of something. I would like an image of a building, like a high-rise building on the river in a city, so that I can use in a blog post. And the beauty of doing this style of image or design is that it's always, you're not going to come up against those copyrighted image issues. So we scroll down. Here we go. Here's a bunch of images that it's just done. So you can then take that and use it if you wish. That's like a, like it's made that up, which is what we wanted it to do. We can design it. If you want to find like actual video, like actual things in say Brisbane or Los Angeles or New York, you can let it know that as well. All right, so Canva.ai, super, super easy, super, super good. I use Canva.ai every day. And folks, the final one that has had attendees at my AI workshops raving is one tool that fixes the issue of email. So the challenge is that your email constantly drags you into busy work. You've got to read it, think of a response, categorize them, all of which is quite draining. So the tool here is Fyxer. All right, so Fyxer plugs into your email. You don't need to switch email platforms or anything at all. You literally go into your email, and what Fyxer does is it applies tags. So read, to respond, to respond, to respond. And in fact, it even drafts a response based on its own AI, so that it understands how you write and the contents of the context of how you've replied to people in the past. So you click on this, and it's pre-written for me. Thanks, John, received. We'll work through and let you know if I need anything else. All right, so I can send that off. I didn't need to touch it. So you wake up each morning and your inbox, or even throughout the day, is all categorized, pre-drafted responses which you can edit. But a lot of the time, email responses are quite simple, so AI can handle it. You just log in and go, send, 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 and then you can get on with your day properly. So team, they're the 6 AI tools that small business owners and big business owners should be using every single day. Let's do a quick recap. We've got Wisprflow, we've got Fathom, Notetaker for your Zoom calls, team meetings, Google Meets. You've got your ChatGPT voice mode, which is a ripper for when you need to just talk and use your eyes for other stuff. You've also got Opus Clip for your videos, Canva AI for your design, and Fyxer to help with your inbox. Those tools literally save you 15 to 20 hours a week. Jump in, give them a go, and then you've got all this extra bandwidth and capacity to do stuff that you love, whether it's inside or outside of your business. Subscribe for more tips, tricks, and marketing and AI related material. Cheers.